Welcome to week 2 of our data mining course. In this week, we will explore the importance of data processing and feature selection in data mining. Data processing and feature selection are crucial steps in the data mining process, as they can significantly impact the accuracy and utility of the models. In this video, we will cover the basics of data pre-processing and feature selection, and discuss some of the common techniques used in the field. Let's start with data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is the processing of cleaning, transforming, and reducing data before it's analyzed. Data pre-processing can involve various techniques such as data cleaning, data transformation, data reduction, and data integration. Data cleaning involves removing irrelevant and duplicate data points, correcting errors, and handling missing values. Data transformation involves converting the data into a suitable format for analysis, such as normalizing, discretization, and encoding. Data reduction, however, involves reducing the size of the dataset by removing redundant and irrelevant features or instances. And data integration involves combining data from multiple sources to create a unified dataset. In fact, pre-processing will take up the majority of your time. 80% of a data miner's time typically is on data pre-processing. And we'll get a little bit more into why the system design is so crucial to reducing that time you need to pre-process data later in this course. Now let's move on to feature selection. Feature selection is the process of selecting a subset of relevant features from a larger set of features. Feature selection is important because it can improve the accuracy and efficiency of the models, as well as reduce the complexity and overfitting. Feature selection can involve various techniques such as a filter method, wrapper methods, and embedded methods. Filter methods involve selecting features based on statistical measures such as correlation and mutual information. Wrapper methods involve evaluating the performance of the module using subsets of features, and embedded methods involve incorporating feature selection into the model building process. Now let's discuss some common techniques used in data processing and feature selection. In data processing, some common techniques include outlier detection, data imputation, and data scaling. Outlier detection involves identifying and handling unusual data points that deviate from the norm. Data imputation involves handling missing values by filling gaps with estimates based on the available data. And data scaling involves normalizing the data to ensure all of the features are on the same scale. In feature selection, some common techniques include correlation analysis, principal component analysis, and recursive feature elimination. Correlation analysis involves identifying and removing highly correlated items. PCE, or principal component analysis, involves reducing dimensionality of data by identifying the most important features. And RFE, or recursive feature elimination, involves recursively eliminating the least important features until the optimal subset is selected. Finally, let's talk about some challenges and the best practices in data preprocessing and feature selection. One of the challenges of data preprocessing is the selection of appropriate techniques based on the characteristics of the dataset. The choice of data preprocessing techniques can significantly impact the accuracy and utility of the model. In feature selection, it is important to strike a balance between the number of features and the performance of the models. Too few features can result in underfitting, while too many features can result in overfitting. Best practices in data preprocessing and feature selection include exploring different techniques evaluating the performance of the models, and documenting the choices made in the process. It's also an important part of data pre-processing and feature selection in data mining to consider where the data has come from. It can be a crucial aspect to how you process the data, as well as what the data will be used for. Both have real implications when it comes to how you process the data. And that's it for the importance of data pre-processing and feature selection in data mining. In the next video, we'll explore some common classifications techniques used in data mining. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.